Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how natural gas has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. If you look at the chart of natural gas and what we have seen, there is a import and export differences was happening in natural gas because of the price has moved upside. Okay, and if you look at because of the war, there is so much volatility we have seen in the price of natural gas. Okay, now natural gas is currently trading at around $93.59. Okay, before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. A telegram link also I have given in the description, you can join that too. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and put a notification so that you receive my if upload new video, you should get a notification. See, suppose if you look at this particular natural gas chart, I have already explained you in the previous video that there is a pattern forming. If you look at this chart, see, there is a pattern forming, a U pattern was forming. Okay, after that we have seen a sharp fall and from there we have seen an upside. This is a cup pattern forming which shows level of $8.4. We can see it can go further high. Okay, now if you look at the U pattern also, it is hitting the resistance which is already being tested here. So probability was very high. We can see it can go further upside. Okay, I was clearly explaining you before that there was a higher probability that if a level of around 6.5 sustained, because this level was not touched for so long. So whenever the price goes upside at this particular level, we can see it can go further high. I've told you in my previous video that if the price goes above 6.5, I've already explained you that if the price goes above 6.5, that it can go further upside. Okay, after that what we have seen, it made a swing and from there we have seen it has continuously made a fall. Okay, why it has made a fall? Because previously what we have seen, whenever it goes high, we have seen a downfall, sharp downfall. Okay, look at this particular chart, first, second and third. This was the third time, and now again if it made a new high, we can see there will be a sharp fall. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Suppose if this level sustain, there is a high probability it can go further upside towards a level of $9.6, and this $9.6 is already being tested here. So probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $9.8 to $10. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside. I'll explain you after. Once I'll explain you if it goes below where it can move, then I'll explain you if the price goes above 9.6 where it can go further high. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, as I've already explained, market is uncertain. You cannot predict the market will go only one-sided, upside or down. Okay, it will move sharp upside or downside only when there is a big news, that is pandemic situation or something war like situation come. Okay, now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $9.1. Okay, and suppose the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of around $8.6. Suppose if the price fall below that level, then there is a high probability that it can go further down towards a level of $8.3, and once the price goes below that level, then there is a high probability that it can touch a level of $8. Suppose the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $7.3, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can fall further low and can touch a level of around $6.9. Okay, once the price fall below $6.9, then we can see it can fall further and can touch a level of $6.5. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that level, then we can see it. Regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, now understand something. Suppose if the price goes above a level of 9.6, which is a high probability because this resistance is already being tested here. So we have to look at a month chart where you will, if you want to check, you can check my monthly video where I explain it can move. But I'll explain that suppose if the price goes up that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $10 also. And so suppose if this level goes upside above 9.6, which is a higher probability because this is a weak resistance, it can touch a level of $10. Okay, and $10 is again a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $10.7, and from there we can see it can go further upside because there is a higher probability. 10.7 is a strong resistance, so we can see a bounce back from that particular level. But otherwise what we can see, it can go till a level of 10.7 if 9.6 sustain, which is a weak resistance, so probability was very high. We can see it can touch a level of 10.7 and from there we can see a bounce back. any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, and if you want to attend the workshop, then also you can mail me, so we can work out on the timing and then arrange our workshop. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.